In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Now click on this icon of an app at the top of it. Select Open in pop-up view and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you wish to, you can also click on this line at the top and try all of those options. For example, if you wish to use your app in full screen view, click on this arrow. If you want to close your window completely, you can always click on Home button. Hold this bubble and drag it to Close section at the bottom. Select this X or swipe your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!